4 reasons why college education isn't for everyone. 1. Different paths, different success. Not everyone needs a college degree to be successful. There are plenty of awesome careers out there that don't require a formal education. If you're more of a hands-on learner or have a knack for practical skills, pursuing vocational training, apprenticeships, or starting your own business might be the perfect fit for you. 2. Money matters. Let's face it, college can be expensive. Between tuition fees, student loans, and other expenses, it can put a serious dent in your bank account. If you're not keen on the idea of taking on a mountain of debt, or if you'd rather explore more affordable education or career options, college may not be the best choice for you. 3. Follow your passion. College isn't always the best place to pursue your passions. If you have a burning desire to jump right into a specific field or industry, formal education might not be the most direct route. Sometimes, you can gain practical experience, develop your skills, and build a successful career by diving straight into the action. 4. Changing times, changing skills. The job market is a constantly changing landscape. The skills and qualifications in demand today might not be the same tomorrow. Some industries care more about practical skills, certifications, or specialized training than they do about a college degree. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on what's happening in the job market and explore alternative paths that can lead you to your dream career. Remember, not going to college doesn't mean you're doomed to failure, and getting a college degree doesn't guarantee success. It's all about finding the path that works best for you and your goals. There are plenty of options out there to help you succeed on your own terms. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and check out some more of the videos on our channel.